today we're going to be making these cool balloon squishies. So what you will need is firstly an empty sort of water bottle or something, and then ask a grown-up to cut the bottom off for you so that you've got a nice funnel.
Yay!
And you'll also need some flour. It doesn't matter what type, it's to go inside the balloon. And of course you need balloons. You can choose out 2 colours. I've already picked an orange and a red. And you will also need a pair of scissors and a spoon. And we also recommend having a big bowl with you to catch the flour underneath. This activity can get messy.
Especially if you're doing it with a 3-year-old.
Hi guys! The first thing you're going to want to do is get your first layer of the balloon of the balloon squishy, and you're going to want to like blow it up and kind of stretch it out so that it can hold more flour in it without popping it, and then let the air run out. Yeah, just give it a little stretch out so that then it's all ready. Next thing you're going to want to do is then just stretch it and attach it onto your funnel. Okay, once you've done that, you're going to grab your spoon, you're going to scoop flour into your funnel, scoop quite a lot of it in so you don't have to keep on constantly going back for more. This is going to be it for now for me. So you're just going to want to use the back of your spoon to kind of push it all in. You want to fit as much flour in as possible to make it feel best. If this is your first time doing this, it might not turn out right first try, but that's okay because, you know, practice makes perfect. And this activity is very...
You can see she's fitting quite a lot of flour in that balloon.
So I'm just going to go back for like one spoonful more to see if I can fit any more in. The next thing after it's completely filled up is you have to take it off of the spout. This part you have to do very carefully so that you don't create a flour explosion everywhere. So then if you've got extra flour in your balloon, you're just gonna like push it down on a surface so that it all goes right down into the balloon. So I think I've still got some in there. Just gonna give it a jiggle. And mine might not actually have a good enough flour, so you might want to just, you know, go back, add more flour, whatever.
Guys, we shake this around and easy the flour gets in.
Okay, so once it's nicely done, you feel happy with the amount of flour, you're just gonna knot it. It helps to twist it up as well, in case like there's any more flour. Okay, so afterwards, it's still a lot left, and you might wanna, if you're doing an extra layer especially, just snip it off quite close to the knot, but not so close that it's just gonna come undone. Okay, so if you're going in with another layer, you might just be happy with it like this. You're just going to fold the balloon in half this way, then forward that way, so it looks like some sort of beak thing for me. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to take your scissors and snip this corner off, and this corner off.
Better if you can try and do the snip with one clean snip, because then you don't get a jagged line, you get a nice smooth circles. And you also need to just snip off here. Okay, so where the funnel part is, we're just going to try and open it up here, and then this is the bit we're going to stretch.
This part is hard.
Yeah, so you probably need a grown-up to do that. And then you stretch it, so the knot, I'm going back straight over the knot like that with the end part, so that's covered up like this, and then we've got the holes going around the side. And then the last thing to do, so we don't have this weird part, you need 2 people for this. You get one person to stretch it, and the other person then cuts it quite near to the balloon, and it pings back
Just like that.
Just like that.
And this is your finished product. And if you've got 3 of them, they also make great juggling balls.